So I've been helping this lady a lot, and this guy was an ornery son of a gun. I'm pretty sure he did everything the opposite or messed up in a different way. Not really messed up because he was an engineer, and he wanted to make it harder on everybody else that messed with the stuff that he worked on. It's the only thing I could think of. Or the easy end, his spring broke, so he put that one on the other side and reversed everything, because that's how his mind works, and that's how my mind has to work to get these jobs done. Nice. Okay, I have no idea what is going on here. All it is a spring system, but for some reason he has pulleys. Don't know why that is, but because it'll keep pulling and pull that back, maybe because it's low clearance. That's what I'm fucking guessing. All right, well, here's nothing. I still think the pulleys are on backwards for some reason. Also, I don't know. But we're going to figure out how to wind that spring with no clearance above it. It's going to be great. I don't know how I get myself into this shit. Okay, so since he has this cool low clearance stuff set up, I reversed the pulleys so that they will pull better and I can wind the spring the right way. I mean, it's kind of screwy. We'll see what happens. That's tight. It's tight. Now, I don't recommend anybody do this without the proper tools, because you can really get injured. Ask me how I know. There's a lot of tension on those. And if you slip one thing, say goodbye to the webbing in your hands, all your knuckles, sometimes your face or your neck. It can get pretty fucking gruesome. Sorry, I'll try to bleep that out later. So here goes nothing. While you're saying this, I have to, because there's no headroom to wind the spring, I'm having to do it above the rafters, because that's the only place I can get a quarter of a turn. So here goes to 7 times 4 minus 7, 21 more quarter turns. So, if my calculations are right, springs attached, big old springs attached. We got tension over here. That's scary. We got tension over here. Bow, 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 bow. Probably should grease them, but let's see here. I got the lock off. Well, here goes nothing. Probably gonna hurt myself. Calculations were wrong. Okay, finally found out what happened here. He has a right side spring on the left side. So everything on this whole garage door needs to be turned around the opposite direction so it'll actually work. I can't wind this the right way. I'm going to have to wind it backwards, which is going to be asinine. And the pulleys have to be turned around so that they will roll up the correct way. It's awesome. It's what happens when you agree to do these free jobs. You waste a couple of days trying to figure out how they cobbled it together. This one did not wind up all right. So let's see what happens when we do this. We'll take it. Small victory. Tension. 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 Attention. So, this is what happened. That's supposed to be on the right side. So, that had to be wound the opposite way. Every one of these had to be put on the opposite side. And we finally got it to work. Woo! Woo! Night, y'all.